everybody. Today we are going to look at some different types of taxes. We have been talking about financial literacy, which is the ability to know about money and talk about money fluently. So we're going to move on from what we learned yesterday. So yesterday we were looking at income and payroll tax. Sorry there was no video yesterday. I'm going to cover both of them today. My computer was not working yesterday morning. So basically, there are 4 different taxes that you're going to be responsible for in 5th grade, as far as being able to explain and being able to identify. All right. So your 4 different taxes that you're going to have to be able to identify are as follows. All right. Remember, it's P.I.P.S. So we have, first off, payroll tax. Remember, this is the tax that comes off your paycheck. All right. So this has to do with a paycheck. All right. Then there's income tax. Income tax is a tax on any money that you make, on any income. All right. Then there's property tax. Property tax is actually charged every year on the property you own. So like a house or business. So every year, your like adults in your life will pay property tax on the house that they own, if they own the house. If you rent, the landlord pays property tax every year on that house. All right, and then finally there's sales tax. So this is a tax on all goods and services. So that means when you go to the store and you buy something, that's a good. All right, if you go get a haircut and the barber cuts your hair, that is a service. So a sales tax is a tax on goods and services. So every time you buy something, you get charged sales tax. All right. So yesterday we talked about payroll tax, which is the tax that comes off your paycheck. We talked about income tax, which is any tax or anytime you earn money, the government gets a little bit of it. Then there's property tax. Today we're going to talk about that. That's taxes on a house or a business. And then finally sales tax. And that's the one you're used to actually doing as a 5th grader. You have, anytime you buy something, you pretty much pay sales tax. So, all right. So let's take a look. Income and property tax. Like we said, taxes are money paid to the government. Money is paid in exchange for services such as road maintenance and police. So the tax dollars helps build roads, buy street signs and stoplights. They keep, like, for instance, the police and jail. Employer. This is taken from your gross income and is reflected on your paycheck or pay stub. The more you make, the higher your taxes are. So, for instance, like if you made $100 and your tax was 50%, your tax would be $50. But if you made $1,000 and your tax was 50%, your taxes are $500. So, as you make more, your taxes are more. On sales and property tax, oops, keep on hitting the wrong button. Sales tax, for instance, at the beginning of every year, they have a back to school sale where they'll do sales tax holiday where they won't charge sales tax on any clothes or school supplies. All right. But most of the time, every time you buy something, you're going to pay sales tax. So that's why when you go to the store and you buy something that's 99 cents, you get to the register and they ask for $1.08. If you go to the store and you buy something that's $10, you get to the register and they say it's $10.81. All right. So, basically, sales tax is money on goods and services, tax on goods and services.